Good morning, guys. So today is another fixing day. So I just want you guys to see this. Yes, a peel off leather seat. There's one spot here and some scratches here. So after checking online, doing some survey, I found that peel off leather seat actually can be repaired, and I've contacted some car interior workshop, and yes, they said yeah, it can be done. And now I'm currently heading to a workshop at Pandan Jaya, KL, and let's see what magic can they do for my car. Let's hope the outcome will be pleasant. Okay, just gonna make a U-turn and we are here at the workshop. Wah Auto Interior Specialist Auto Interior Service. Oh, ini glue balik ya? So they only use super glue to fill up the peel off hole and then sand it with sandpaper. So now it's back to the perfect condition, and it took only 10 minutes. Fill it with super glue, sand it, and paint it back. That's simply amazing. So overall result was yeah, it's good. It doesn't look like it has a peel off before, and surprisingly the repairing process was quite very fast. It took only 10 minutes, but it cost me 80 ringgit. I think it's a fair price to pay, because you know, you need the skill to do it. And no more ISO. So if you face this kind of problem also, perhaps you may check with your pakar cushion kereta or car interiors specialist. to get it done. Perhaps you may find it cheaper somewhere else, I don't know, because I didn't do a lot of survey. But I actually managed to look for this shop on Google, and I talked to the boss. I actually visited the shop a week before. Decided to get rid of the eyesore, and now feel happy again. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.